Hi, Hilmi. I see that you just submitted your introduction here, but I also saw that I hadn't noticed that it was already graded and commented. So if I pull down this little menu here and I go to the September 15th submission, well, apparently it's not available now, but I just did it and it's fully commented. So you've already got lots and lots of comments on your introduction. You just need to go into grades and then go down to um, the introduction and click on the title, click on view feedback, click on the expander bar here, and then you'll see this is not yours, but you should see yours. And if you can't see the one that you submitted on September 15th, let's see. I'm thinking that you should have two submissions showing up here, and you just click on the September 15th one, not the September 28th one. So you have comments on your introduction that should get you going, but if you have any questions, just let me know.